Good morning guys! Kaon tayo ng pancake. Nagawa siya ng pancake at saka bacon. Ayan, kaon tayo. Salamat sa Ginoo, no? Ayan, magkaon tayo mga kapiskot. Ato ning buuan o of course syrup. Ana ni siya, no? Basta kanya mo pancake, kinahanglan mo palit mo syrup. Tapos natay kape dere. We have the coffee, no sugar. Thank you, Jesus. Naanad na yung tagway ko na ni asukar.
Boy, is Keon going to be surprised.
Why?
Remember when he tasted my coffee?
Oh, yeah.
And he made that mad look on his face?
Yep.
And then he went and drank your coffee? Now when he does it, he's going to taste your coffee, and your coffee is not going to have sugar too. And he's going to be like, what is this, a conspiracy against me? He's going to think people are being mean to him. Right?
Yep. Kaon tayo, guys, oh. Domingo nas buntag diri ah. Domingo nas buntag. So magsimba mi.
You like your food?
Yep.
You already ate the baby? No, you didn't eat the babies yet.
Magsimba mi kay 2 weeks na mi wa kasimba.
Now you ate a baby. Did you eat the other baby already too? Oh my goodness.
Tapos ta, ale. Wa na yung asukar, guys. Wa na yung asukar. Kaning less asukar, less salt, mamayat ka. Mamayat. Mamayat din ka.
Yeah, Jesse really likes your adobo.
Guys, oh. Ali, guys.
Oh.
Urag bata.
What'd you say?
You're like a kid.
Oh.
Crying baby. Ang naggawa pala, nagluto ng breakfast si Honey.
Playing, right?
Yeah.
You know I'm just playing, right?
Yeah, I know.
What?
I know.
Oh, okay.
Si Honey ang nagluto ng breakfast. May pukaw lang ko niya. Sabi niya, Honey, food is ready.
But I do hate wearing the food on my shirt, though.
Yep. Thank you for watching mga guys, mga kapiskot. Shout out sa inyong tanan. Thank you.